Hello everyone, Aladdin here from Meribook. In this video, we'll go into the organizational structure of a book. On Meribook, basically the simple concept is you have a book which has chapters, and within chapters you have sections, and you cannot go any deeper than that. Here, I'll use one of the books that is publicly available. So I'm in the Browse Books option here. These are public books. So we can just click on one of these books. I'll use the Build Your Website with WordPress as an example. This brings you to the landing page with the reviews. We'll actually go into the book details page. Here you'll notice that we have the book banner, and then this is the book cover. If I were to go back to my account, I'll go to one of the books and I'll show you where that is. So when we are editing a book, this is the book name, editing a book name. And then here you have the book banner, and you can upload your image here, banner image. And then here's the book cover, and you can upload your book cover image here. And then you have the book intro. And here we have the option to display an image and also option to display some text, and you can embed video here. So in this example here, all we have here is an embedded video as a book introduction. So over here, that option would be the book image is none, and then here you just show, and then you just embed a video like that. And that would be your book banner, cover, and the book introduction. Below that, you have two chapters, and each chapter, this one has two sections, and this one has three sections. So if I were to go to this chapter here, your technology options, you'll notice that there is again some chapter intro text and video. And then within that chapter, we have two sections. So if I were to follow back to this book here, the perfect offer is the name of the book. That would have been your banner, your cover, and then you have the chapter. If I were to edit the chapter, here's the chapter name, and then again, here's the chapter intro. Here you can have the text and video like you see over here. In this case, the text is right above the video that is embedded. And that's it. This one does not have the chapter image option like you do for the book image. So let's get deeper into the sections now. We're on the chapter level. As you can see, the WordPress website, and you're in the technology options. And if we go further down, you'll see that you have the two sections. Let's click on this section here. This is where most of your content will reside. So in this example here, you'll notice that I have a video up on top within the content, and then the whole text right below it. And then below that is a discussion option. So if I were to go back to my book here, and if I go into the chapter, you'll see that we have a couple of sections here as well. And if I were to add a new section, this is going to give me the full WYSIWYG editor. And you can just start embedding your content or entering your text. And majority of the time, this is where most of your content will be. So going back to our example here, this is where the first section is, and we can navigate to the second section here. Or if I wanted to jump chapters, we can go to the second chapter, and we'll see that this second chapter has three sections. We can go through that content that way. Or I can go back up one level. Again, I'm at the chapter level now. These are the three sections. If you were to expand all, you'll notice that I can view all three sections in one go. And this makes it quite unique because you can, if you have a lot of sections, you can go through all of them in one go. So organizational wise, you have a lot of flexibility, but that is the overall structure of your book with the book cover, banner, and introduction, and then chapter, introduction, and then the sections within it. In our next video, we'll cover book states like published, not published, archive. All right, thank you.